Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're reviewing the BMW 230i M Sport. Let's start at the front, where the 230i M Sport's sleek and sporty design sets the tone for the rest of the car. Slim and aggressive LED headlights, a distinctive kidney grille with active shutters for improved aerodynamics. Yeah, this car means business. The car is sitting on some stunning 18-inch wheels with a unique double-spoke design that adds a touch of aggression to the car's stance. Out back, it features a distinctive rear spoiler that adds some aerodynamic flair. L-shaped taillights, which is slim and aggressive, adding a touch of sophistication, with the dual pipes adding to the sporty flourish of the car. As you step inside, you'll be immediately greeted with distinctive M Sport badging, premium materials, and the incredibly audible Harman Kardon sound system. At the heart of it all is the intuitive iDrive infotainment system, which puts a world of entertainment, navigation, and vehicle information at your fingertips. With its high-resolution display and simple logical menu structure, iDrive makes it easy to stay connected and in control on the go. So sport and individual. Alright. So from Eco, everything is blue. And comfort. Now let's take a look under the hood. The 230i is powered by a 2-liter twin-power turbocharged inline-4, which produces 245 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This engine is a real gem, with a broad power band and a willingness to rev. So do these vents and the thing open or?
Yeah, but only when you drive it.
Oh.
Put your foot down, the vent's open.
Alright, that's cool actually. Yeah, cause I've been seeing on all of them closed, like when you see them parked in that.
Yeah.
So I'm like, so how does it breathe? Oh, so they're open when the car's moving. Yeah, that's.
You put your foot down like on a motorway.
Yeah. One of the most notable disadvantages of the 230i M Sport is its limited interior space. While the front seats offer plenty of room and comfort, the rear seats are a bit more cramped, with limited leg room and headroom. This makes the 230i M Sport less suitable for road trips with multiple passengers or for those who need to frequently transport taller adults. But let's be real, if you're buying a car this sleek, you're probably not planning on carpooling anytime soon. Overall, the 2022 BMW 230i M Sport is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a fun, premium coupe. Its impressive performance agile handling, and upscale interior make it a compelling package. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.